Regular maintenance is key to preventing faucet issues in your Calgary home. By inspecting and cleaning your faucets regularly, you can avoid costly repairs down the line. It is recommended to perform a maintenance check at least once a year to ensure that your faucets are in good working condition. In order to prevent faucet issues, it's important to first identify common problems. Leaks, drips, and worn-out washers are some of the most common faucet issues. If left unaddressed, these issues can result in water waste and high utility bills. Regular inspections can help identify these problems early on before they escalate into bigger issues. Another way to prevent faucet issues is by using your faucets properly. Avoid using excessive force when turning on or off the faucet, as this can cause wear and tear on its components. Teach your family members to turn faucets off properly and not to play with them, as this can cause damage over time. Consider upgrading your faucets to prevent future issues. Newer models come equipped with innovative features such as ceramic discs that prevent leaks and last longer than traditional washers. Installing low-flow aerators can also reduce water waste and save you money on utility bills.